Hey there, young scientists! Today we're diving into the amazing world of static electricity. Ready for some fun experiments? Let's get started. First, grab a plastic pen and cut up some small pieces of dry paper. Rub the pen against your dry hair and hold it close to the paper pieces. Wow, did you see that? The paper pieces are sticking to the pen. But why does this happen? Let's find out with activity 2.1. You'll need a glass rod, PVC pipe, ebonite rod, a polythene sheet, silk cloth, woolen cloth and some small paper pieces. Now, before rubbing, hold these objects close to the paper pieces. Nothing happens, right? But after rubbing each object with the cloth, hold them close again. See the magic? The paper pieces are attracted to the objects. This happens because rubbing creates something called static electric charges. William Gilbert, a scientist from way back in 1600 AD, figured this out first. When you rub objects, they get charged and attract like things like paper. Let's move on to activity 2.2. Take 2 glass rods and 2 ebonite rods. Hang 1 glass rod rubbed with silk on a stand and 1 ebonite rod rubbed with wool on another stand. Rub the other glass rod with silk and bring it close to the hanging rods. What do you see? The rods are either attracted or repelled. This is because there are 2 types of static charges, positive and negative. Like charges repel and opposite charges attract. Isn't that cool? Now you know why rubbing objects makes them attract or repel each other. Keep experimenting and stay curious, young scientists. See you in the next video.